Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Cabin air filter is located just behind the glove box. So first you have to remove the glove box to be able to access the cabin air filter. Okay, so to start, first you want to lower the glove box and then you'll want to disconnect this holder on the side. Now all you have to do, you have to pull it towards yourself, just like this, you see, and now it is completely loose. Now the next thing you will do, you will just push here onto the sides of the glove box, both sides, and you will pull it down, and that will release these upper holders here. You see, if I push it, that's the idea, but I have to do it on the both sides at the same time. Okay, I just did it, so you can see you'll have two of these guys here on the sides, and now the glove box is down. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. Also, when you're installing this glove box back on, make sure you see you have four of these connectors down here. They just pop in to these guys here. In my case, as soon as I lower the glove box, everything just popped down, but this is something to keep in mind. So first you should clip this in, and then you should leave the glove box up. Okay, now once the glove box is off the way, you will get access to the cabin air filter. It's just behind this door. To lower the door, you'll have to remove two 5.5mm screws. It's kind of unusual, but that's what they are. One here and one on the opposite side. Okay, now once you have removed these two guys, you should be able to open that door. Now you'll have two clips here on the side, one here and one here. So you just want to press it here, press it on the other side, and then lift this cover up. And here is your filter. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this one wasn't replaced in quite a long time, but that's how you do it. And here you can see the arrow, airflow arrow has to point down. So when you're installing the new filter, you want to make sure to look for the arrow. If you have like an aftermarket filter, the arrow will be maybe at a different location, but this is the idea, right? And also make sure before installing the new filter, just clean the interior of this airbox. Install the filter and put everything back together. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.